Hi everyone, it's Genene. Let's begin our gentle morning yoga flow by coming onto all fours. And then once you're there, step your right foot right between your hands. Moving gently. Left hand underneath left shoulders. You don't need any props, but I will be using a block now and then. Here's one place you could use it. Hand on top of the block. Inhale, reach your right arm up to the sky. Stretch. Exhale, bring that hand down. And then right hand down to the floor. You can come onto fingertips if it's better for you. Inhale, left arm up. Stretch. And exhale, lower down. And now walk this right foot forward, coming onto right heel. And then point the foot. And then flex the foot. And then step your right foot back to meet the left. Let's try that on the other side. Step your left foot between your hands. Right hand on block or fingertips or flat. Inhale. Left arm up to the sky. Twist the spine. Lengthen from tailbone to crown of head. And exhale. Set the left hand down. And right arm comes up. Twist. And exhale. Hand comes down. Walk your right foot forward. Dig that heel in and point the foot and flex the foot. Take your left leg back to meet the right. Let's try the right foot forward again. And this time again, walk the right foot forward. And this time, taking a little bit more time with this, Ardha Hanumanasana. Spread your toes. Pull your pinky toes towards your right outer hip. Dig your right heel into the floor. Imagine you're going to drag that heel back towards the back of the mat and feel how that helps you lengthen through your spine. Step your right foot back to meet your left. Step your left foot forward and start walking that left heel forward again. So for this one, the right hip is staying over the right knee. We're not going that far. If you're interested in going and taking a deeper dive into Hanumanasana, you can check out my Hanumanasana tutorial here. There's 60 seconds or a little bit longer. And then the longest one I saved for my website. Find the same attention that you gave to the other side. Step your left leg back to meet your right. Downward facing dog. Lift the knees, press the tops of the thighs back. Lift the sitting bones high to the sky as the heels start to descend. Come down onto the knees and stretch your legs out in front of you for Dandasana, staff pose. Strong, strength-building pose. Hands by your hips, fingertips or hands flat depending on how long your arms are. Gaze is straight ahead. Our knees. Bring the soles of your feet together, knees open. And for me, I'm grabbing a block so that my pelvis doesn't tilt backwards. I can tilt the top of my pelvis forward. We're not here very long. However, if this hurts your knees, take the time to put something on the outsides of your legs, propping them up on either side, even if only one side hurts. Now, if you are sitting up on a prop, make sure that you get off of the prop first. And we're all going to lie down with our feet still in Baddha Konasana. And we're all going to lie down with our feet still in Baddha Konasana, placing one hand on your belly, the other on your heart center. Gently allow your eyes to close. Surrendering, feeling perhaps a little bit more open. Gently take your hands to the outsides of your legs to draw your legs together. Straightening your legs for Shavasana. Arms by your sides, palms turned up. Having enough space in between your limbs and your body so that you're comfortable. Letting go of the activity and moving into stillness. Stay in Shavasana as long as you like. Thank you so much for joining me, and let me know in the comments how this worked for you and what video would you like next? What would you like to focus on? I look forward to hearing your thoughts. Namaste.